Inequalities are very similar to equations, except you end up with a range of values for x rather than one unique solution. Here's some examples. X is less than 5. An open dot like this shows that the number it's above, 5 in this case, is not included in the solution. The line and arrowhead pointing left of 5 indicates that the solution set includes every real number smaller than 5, and this continues indefinitely. X is less than or equal to 5. The filled dot indicates that 5 is included in the solution. Once again, the line with the arrowhead to the left of 5 indicates that the solution set includes all numbers smaller than 5, and this continues indefinitely. X is greater than 7. This would mean 7 is not included in the solution set, but all numbers greater than it on the number line are. X is greater than or equal to 7. And this means 7 and all numbers greater than it on the number line are included in the solution set.